Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A38. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of lock screens: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with numeric password. And now you can set 6-digit numeric password, 4-digit numeric password and 4 to 16-digit numeric password. Let's set it. And now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric password, and to create it enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, select pattern, and to create it connect at least 4 dots. Now let's go back and let's start with biometrics. Our first biometric is face unlock. Select and roll your face and now scan it via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, select fingerprint. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.